Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I got a recipe that I found on the internet a few years back and kind of adapted it to make it my own. It's teriyaki steak. In the original one it was supposed to be on skewers and thin cut, slice, whatever, blah blah blah. I don't mess with all that. I just find me some nice, decent looking sirloin, boneless, like minute steaks are about ½ inch thick or something like that, and that's what I use in the recipe. So I'm not all about soaking the skewers and making all that stuff up. Stuff I cook's easy, quick, and delicious food. So why go through all that hassle if I'm just gonna pull it off and eat it anyway? So y'all hang tight and we'll get to cooking. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, always helps out. I'm going to give you the recipe here for the marinade I use on this steak. I'm going to start out with roughly ¼ cup of light brown sugar. Put that in a bag. And I use a bag for my marinade because it's just a heck of a lot easier. And we're going to throw in about a teaspoon, heaping teaspoon, garlic, minced garlic. And then a few good shakes of black pepper. This is to your taste. There's that. And then roughly a ¼ cup of soy sauce. And then the original recipe called for vegetable oil. I like sesame oil myself. I think it gives it a little better taste. And we're going to do about 1/8 cup, little less, little more, of the sesame oil. And then after that, we're going to do ½ teaspoon of cumin. And that'll give it kind of a smoky flavor, a little bit of heat. And then for a little bit more sweetness, roughly a ¼ cup of pineapple juice. And that's just a rough estimate on that. So get all the ingredients in the bag here. You don't need any salt because of the soy sauce. And then just take the steak. Well, sorry. First, I like to close the bag up and then kind of get that all mixed together. And then we'll throw the steak in there. And this is about 1 pound of the thin sliced sirloin. Boneless, of course. Try to get a lot of the air out of it. And then just move them things all around in there. Get that marinade all over them. Everything. Like I said, try to get as much of the air out as possible. I got most of it out there. So there's that. Now we'll put that in the refrigerator for overnight, and we will throw them on the grill tomorrow and we'll grill them up. So y'all can, it's only going to be a minute for you guys. It's going to be 24 hours for me. So sit back, relax, grab your beverage, and we'll get to cooking once this marinates. Alright y'all, it's been a little over 24 hours. I've been kicking it out in the garage. Kind of lost track of time. I was going to use a charcoal grill, but I fired up the gas grill tonight just to get these things done because I'm hungry and I want to eat. So let's get these things thrown on here. Get them out of the bag. Now these won't take very long to cook because they're so thin. So get them laid out there nice and flat. Got them on there. Got it on low. I might bump it up here just a tad little bit. I'll close the lid. Let these things cook for about 5-7 minutes on one side. Flip them over, and we'll do it again on the other side. But we'll bring you back when we're doing that. All right, y'all. It's been about 5 minutes or so. Flip these things over and see what they look like. Oh yeah. Looking beautiful. Looking beautiful. Oh yeah. Alright. I'm going to close the lid, let them grow on that other side, and bring y'all back when they're done. Alright, y'all. These are probably done. Oh yeah. So let's get them pulled off, thrown in the pan, get them in the house, we'll get them plated up, and we'll enjoy. They smell so good. So, alright, let's get them in the house. Alright, y'all, got them in the house. So let's get them plated up here, and we'll give a little taste test of what we got going on here. Don't them look delicious? I do have my vegetable. Don't be getting all mad at me and everything. Got some green beans, and these are fresh green beans out of the garden from, well, not fresh, but grown out of the garden. My brother and his wife, my sister-in-law, they canned these up last year. So, oh, look at that. Ain't that a beautiful sight? So, there's our green beans, or our vegetable. We got the vegetable. We got the steak. So let's take a bite of these things here and see how they taste. That's some of the best homemade teriyaki steak y'all ever want to try. The garlic in there, wow. That little bit of cumin gives kind of a little smoky flavor there. That is, wow. That's all I can say. Y'all got to try this one. Definitely try it. I'm try a little bit of these green beans. I already know how they are because I've already eaten a bunch of them, but good as always. So awesome. Love it. Y'all definitely got to try this recipe. So appreciate it. Catch y'all on the next one. Alright, y'all, there you have it. Another great recipe, cooking with the bear. Teriyaki steak. I don't know if I mentioned it in the first part of the video or not, but originally this recipe, when I found it, wanted you to cut it in long strips, put it on skewers, do all that. I prefer to do it this way. If you're going to make like rice and stuff to go with it, just slice the stuff up and chunk it up and put it in. You know, no need to do it, you know, in the long, all the bamboo shoot things and soak them in water and burn them on the grill and all that. I prefer to do it this way. I also have done these and then put them in the crock pot all day with some mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, and that's where it's at. Throw some long grain wild rice in there. That's awesome. That's an awesome meal. So anyways, appreciate y'all stopping by, checking out what I'm cooking here again. Don't forget, weekly live stream, 7 p.m. Sunday. Come on in. We talk about a little bit of everything. Cooking, talk about tractors, talk about small engine stuff, big engine stuff, what's going on in the world. You know, it's just kind of a red robin of what we've been doing the past week. So appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and please watch. Hopefully you watch to the end. So we'll catch you all on the next one. Bear appetit.